Tátu, how are you? Mary Show. Bannock the Greenstad on Tauri. So, Summer Solstice wishes to you. And I've just come back from a glorious run in a super sunny London. I'm about to sit down and do a little meditation under a tree here. And in the meantime, I just want to let you know about my event that's coming up. I hope that you can join me. I want to let you know, if you haven't had a chance to celebrate, come along and celebrate the chéile together with us all, our community in West London at the Irish Cultural Centre this Thursday, the 26th of June at 7:30. Share a new story, a retelling of the goddess Macatail, which I've reimagined, and also we'll have a little meditation, we'll have some rituals that we can share together. So I really hope you can join me.